Welcome back to Professional Tutors. In this lesson, we will talk about adaptations. So adaptations are ways in which species change over time in response to changing environment. Organisms adapt so that they can compete for resources, resulting in a better chance of survival. So for any organism to survive, it has to be adapted to its environment or habitat. Adaptations can be physical, behavioral, or structural. There are no specific examples for adaptations, but we will go through some examples of plants and animals and see how they are adapted to their habitats. A well-adapted plant is cactus. They are found in very dry deserts. To adapt in conditions like these, any plant or animal must learn to conserve water. For this, cactus has spines instead of leaves to reduce the surface area so that less water is lost in a hot desert environment. It also has roots which are widespread to absorb any rain. Pause the video and see if you can answer this question. Next are adaptations of the oryx. Oryx is again a desert animal, so its habitat is very hot and dry. To conserve water, they do not sweat. They are mostly active at night when it's cooler and move very slowly during daytime. They have large flat feet which has a large surface area to walk on the sand. Can you guess why large surface area makes it easier to walk on sand? Try to relate pressure with area to answer this question. Feel free to pause the video and try to complete these sentences. Shade plants are found at the floor of a rainforest where level of sunlight is low but has lots of rain. The adaptations of shade plant are large leaves and short roots. When you see a question where the code word is to explain, you will be expected to explain the adaptations as well. For example, a shade plant has large leaves to absorb sunlight for photosynthesis and short roots to absorb all the water on the surface for photosynthesis. This is an example of how you can construct your answer in an effective way. The shade plant has large leaves, which gives it a large surface area to absorb light in the dark floor of rainforest. This is an advantage because light is needed for photosynthesis. The shade plant has short roots because there is lots of water on the surface of rainforest floor. This is an advantage because water is needed for photosynthesis. So that's all for today. If you think this video was beneficial, please like and share. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you.